Wonder Pets. Save the tree. Lenny, Tuck, and Ming Ming were in their cages, munching on some celery. Suddenly, the tin can phone began to ring. The Wonder Pets put on their hats and rushed to answer the phone as they sang. The phone is ringing. The phone will be right there. There's an animal in trouble somewhere. Lenny picked up the phone, but she couldn't hear anything. Maybe it's the wrong number, said Ming Ming Duckling. Look, said Lenny, it's a little tree. It's all by itself in a dirty lot, said Turtle Tuck. Do the Wonder Pets save trees? Asked Ming Ming. Of course we do. Trees are living things, and we help all living things, said Lenny. We have to help the little tree. Lenny, Tuck, and Ming Ming changed into their hero outfits and started building the flyboat so they could fly to the little tree's city. I can build a flyboat by myself, said Ming Ming, but the flying disc was too heavy for her. Sometimes you have to ask for help, no matter who you are, said Lenny. Okay, will you please help me? Asked Ming Ming. Sure, said Tuck. Together the Wonder Pets lifted the disc and built the flyboat. We are coming to save you, little tree, called Ming Ming as the flyboat soared through the sky. The Wonder Pets sang, Wonder Pets, we're on our way to help a little tree and save the day. The Wonder Pets arrived at the city lot. There's the little tree, said Tuck. The poor tree didn't look very good. It had only 3 small leaves on its branches. Dirty boxes and trash were piled all around it. Let's clean up the lot so the little tree can get some sunlight, said Lenny. The Wonder Pets worked together to pick up all the trash in the lot. At last, sunlight shone on the little tree and a brave little bud poked out of the top branch. But then, one of the tree's 3 leaves trembled and fell to the ground. There were only 2 leaves left. We've got to do more for this little tree, team, said Lenny. But what? Ming Ming spotted a bucket of water nearby. Maybe the little tree needs to be watered, she said. Together, the Wonder Pets lifted the bucket and gave the little tree a drink of water. How are you feeling, little tree? Asked Lenny. One of the tree's last 2 leaves began to tremble. Please don't fall, cried Tuck, but it was too late. The leaf fell to the ground. Now there was only 1 leaf left. This is serious, said Ming Ming. Tuck had an idea. Trees are living things like us. They shouldn't be alone. Let's make a garden for the little tree so he won't be lonely. That's a great idea, said Lenny, but we can't plant a whole garden by ourselves. Sometimes you have to ask for help, no matter who you are, said Ming Ming. The Wonder Pets asked the animals in the city to help them. The city birds, squirrels, cats, and dogs helped the Wonder Pets plant a beautiful garden for the little tree. As the Wonder Pets and their animal friends worked, they sang, What's going to work? Teamwork! What's going to work? Teamwork! At last, the city garden was finished. The Wonder Pets and animals rushed over to the little tree. Its last leaf trembled. It looked like the last leaf was going to fall. Then, pop! A beautiful flower blossomed on the happy little tree. We did it! Cried Tuck. It was a teamwork extravaganza, said Ming Ming. This calls for some celery, said Lenny. The Wonder Pets sat under the little tree and shared fresh garden celery with their new city friends. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Wonder Pet stories, check out my Wonder Pets playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for your support, and we'll see you all in the next video.